QuickBooks says your license is gone. Your business just hit pause. Stay calm. Let's fix this error fast.
Hi, I'm John from Sagenext, Intuit Authorized QuickBooks Cloud Hosting Experts. If you've just run into error 3371 or status code 11118, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to resolve it yourself and how Sagenext can make sure you never see it again.
This error usually pops up when key license files get corrupted or deleted. Think damaged system files, failed updates, or a bad reinstall. QuickBooks can't verify your license, so it locks you out. If you don't see the Program Data folder, click View in File Explorer and check Show Hidden Items.
Some license errors go deeper into your registry, .NET framework, or system permissions. That's where our expert team at Sagenext comes in.
Intuit Authorized for guaranteed license integrity. 24/7 support with less than 5-minute response time. 99.99% uptime on SSA. 18 certified servers. Seamless cloud migration with all settings preserved.
Don't let license errors derail your business. Click the link below, schedule a free QuickBooks consultation, and let Sagenext take care of it.
Subscribe now for more QuickBooks fixes, cloud hosting tips, and behind-the-scenes expert advice.